Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn about special words that start with CH sound like chicken, chair. The letters C and H together make the CH sound.
Yeah, what's the first CH word, Mom?
Yes, let's get started. Our first CH word is chicken. Can you say chicken?
Chicken,
Chop,
chop,
chew,
chew,
cheek,
cheek,
chips,
chip,
chain,
chain,
chart,
chart,
charm,
charm,
chat,
chat,
churn,
chore,
chin,
chin,
chick,
chick,
church,
chore,
chime,
chime,
child,
child,
chunk,
chunk,
lunch,
lunch,
such,
such,
march,
march,
torch.
torch.
Wonderful! So we have learned amazing CH words today. Great job learning